You've been ignoring your neck, but it's the first to show your age. Discover the ultimate lift. Boofsu TL Advanced Neck Cream. Infused with alpha-3
I didn't create any of these, but AI.
I'm very certain you have seen this kind of videos on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. This is what creators are using to make tons of dollars every single week. To create a UGC product advert like this, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to get this done, starting from your prompting to how to identify the product that is sellable, to go about it, to the video creation, because you don't want to miss any of this step. To follow along, I just leave the prompt in the description of this video and the link to the platform we'll be using in the description of this video so you can follow along. So guys, without much ado, let's go.
Because I already have my prompt, I'm going to use Claude AI. And guys, you can see Claude AI, this is a free version of it, okay? So go ahead and press this. Now, what this prompt is simply going to do for us is, it's going to act like an elite affiliate product strategist, okay, an AI commercial creative director. All right, so the goal is simple. I need a luxury, right? Premium perception. I need UGC, relatable social first, and I need performance, high conversion, scroll stopping. Those are the three key important things that I need from this. All right, so let's go ahead and hit send. Now, at this moment, Claude AI is going to pull out everything that I need, all the information needed for me to have a selling product, because you don't just want to create another ad video. You want to create an ad video that is sellable.
So Claude AI analyzes the entire script, like everything from to the visuals. So you are the one to now choose the one you want and run with it. So if you need the exact prompt, I'm going to leave it in the description of this video and the link to the platform we are using in this video. I'm also going to leave it so we can try it together. Now, guys, let's go. Pick the product that you want to pick. I selected this particular product, and not just that, Claude AI gave us the link to the product, so you don't have to stress yourself. Just go to the website of, as you are given by Claude, look at the images you have there of the product you want to sell, and then copy that image. Copy the image, and then let's go over to Flova AI. We are going to test the intelligence of Flova AI. Yeah, okay. We are using the agent feature. So you know I've copied the product. So if you have your own product, just get your products ready because we are going to do it together. Link is in the description of this video. Okay, so before we proceed, let's take a look at the interface of this platform.
Now, once you open this platform, you are going to be presented with this agent feature. Okay, so at this point, you're not just going to start asking Flova blindly, but rather we are going to take a look at this. Now, if you look down here, just for the purpose of this video, if you click this plus sign, you see we have image, audio, video, and text, right? And if you look down here, you have models like Cadence 2.0, Cadence 2.0 fast, and currently Cadence 2.5 is coming to Flova very soon. So keep your eyes on this platform. Right, so we proceed. Now, this platform has a skill. This skill is already made. You don't need to start from scratch to make your ad product, okay? Now, if you look up, you're going to see essentials. If you click more, right, more, or you click here, you're going to see commercial. And if you keep going, you're going to see a lot of skills. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be going with one. Try it. Now, if you look down, you're going to see avatar product ad. You see try it, right? Now, if you select anyone at all, anyone, it doesn't matter where you're selecting from, it's still going to give you the option to try again, to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and select this already made skill. Like you can see, it's already here. And I'm going to go ahead and copy this product that I want to use. I'm going to copy this image, all right? And I'll head back to Flova AI. I'm going to paste it here. I've selected my skill. Okay, and I've also given my product, just a product. Now you're going to see what Flova AI is going to turn just this into with just a simple prompt. Now, what the prompt? If you want the exact prompt, I'm still going to leave it in the description of this video so you can copy it and try it yourself.
So this prompt is literally detailed, and I was able to tell Flova AI agent that I needed 45 seconds. And not just that, it's going to act like it knows what it's doing, right? Now I tell the agent without even overthinking. I don't have to overthink. I just explain the short thing that I was able to explain, and I allowed Flova AI to do the job. Now this is the few lines I
Awesome. So with these few lines, I now said using Sedan's 2.0 model for video generation and 11 labs for the voiceover. So with this, we are cool. All right. So if you need this exact prompt, just comment. Just check it out in the description of this video. You will have it exactly like it is right now. Awesome. So after everything, you can literally select it from here if you want to be specific. You can come here and select your video model, right? If you want, and then you come here and also select your audio 11 labs. That is if you want it from. So it's still the same way. It's trained to understand the name of the model even without having to select it from here. Awesome. So let's go ahead and hit generate.
to hit generate, this intelligent model begins to analyze every detailed on the prompt. Like he understands the English, he understands the job description. He knows what you actually want. Because of the skill, he will start generating it step by step, everything accordingly. The skill from the storyboard, the shot, the key element, the audio layers, and you even have a timeline that after generating, it's going to assemble everything. And not just that, this platform is not just generating blindly. Every stage of the generation, it will ask you. If you are not satisfied with it, you can go ahead and use the prompt box there, type in the correction, and if you are cool with it, you can proceed with the next action. Do you understand? So I love this platform because it's not just one another AI platform that just generates generic result. It generates according to demand. Now look at the facial expression and look at the consistency in the character. The character sheet is so beautiful. Every detail was taken into consideration by this platform. And the good thing is I didn't even have to do anything. I just sit there and I watch the platform do the magic. With just one prompt, just one product, I was able to have a complete magic, like a complete advert. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section of this video. So if you're not cool with this, you can go ahead and make any changes by using just the prompt box. And the platform understands because you already have the record of what you are generating. Now let's particularize this. If you want to add your reference image, right, you just click on that plus sign. Once you click on that plus sign, bring in any image of your choice. That is your face or your influencer, any image at all. Now, once you add it, you just give a simple prompt. You don't need to write too much because you already have an existing skill and it has your detailed on the product that you want to, advertise. Now, hit generate and watch the magic. The platform will start working immediately, and no time your result and your full video is ready. Now watch this. So if you watched it this time, let me know what you think about this platform. Try it now. The link is in the description. Sign up and try it now.